Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for fresh, inspiring garden styling and outdoor living ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have been looking for creative ways to transform your yard's perimeter and add striking character to your outdoor borders, you are in the right place. Today, we are exploring incredible decorative garden fence design ideas that will elevate your outdoor space into a lush, stylish sanctuary. Whether you envision charming painted wooden pickets, modern laser-cut metal privacy screens, or classic lattice trellises covered in blooming vines, a well-chosen fence design redefines your garden structure. Stay tuned as we share layout styles, planting tips, and accent ideas to help you create the perfect backdrop for your yard. Decorative garden fence design refers to the intentional architectural planning and aesthetic enhancement of physical boundaries around a garden, yard, or outdoor living space. Unlike purely utilitarian enclosures built strictly for security or containment, a decorative fence incorporates artistic materials, rich colors, intricate patterns, or integrated plant structures to enhance the visual appeal of the landscape. It bridges the gap between functional property demarcation and outdoor artistic expression. Having a beautifully designed decorative garden fence offers numerous functional, psychological, and aesthetic benefits for your home. It provides essential privacy and security while serving as an attractive visual frame that defines different zones within your garden, such as vegetable patches, flower beds, or patio seating areas. Beyond practical boundary setting, a decorative fence acts as a vertical canvas for climbing plants and hanging baskets, instantly elevating curb appeal, boosting property value, and turning an ordinary yard into a cozy, resort-style retreat. Decorating your garden fence to look beautiful requires balancing structure, color, and natural texture to complement your landscape. Start by applying weather-resistant paint or natural wood stains in colors that either blend seamlessly with surrounding foliage or create a striking contrast, such as bold rainbow hues or crisp white tones. Mount functional accents like hanging planter boxes, birdhouses, string lighting, or custom-painted mural panels along fence boards to create focal points at eye level. Incorporating overhead arches, decorative post caps, and climbing trellises allows living greenery to soften hard structural lines and create a cohesive natural atmosphere. The best plants for decorative garden fence design are those that utilize vertical growth structures or complement fence boundaries with vibrant color and texture. Climbing perennials and flowering vines like climbing roses, clematis, morning glories, and honeysuckle naturally weave through lattice, wire, and wooden pickets to produce cascading blooms. Cascading annuals such as petunias, fuchsias, and trailing lobelia thrive in hanging baskets and mounted planter boxes suspended along fence posts. Additionally, planting tall background perennials like foxgloves, delphiniums, and hydrangeas directly along the fence line adds depth, layering, and year-round visual interest. Transforming your garden borders into an extraordinary backdrop doesn't have to be complicated. Discover how the right decorative fence structure can elevate your backyard ambience and create unforgettable outdoor moments. Let's dive into 10 top best decorative garden fence design ideas and discover the possibilities for your own landscape. One neutral timber privacy fence with suspended blooming hanging baskets. Featuring a tall, tan vertical slat wooden privacy fence. This setup utilizes white mounting hooks to display lush hanging baskets packed with vibrant pink petunias and purple lobelia, adding eye-level color and charm along a crisp green lawn. 2. Colorful rainbow picket fence with integrated tiered planter boxes. designed with vibrant rainbow-painted wooden pickets and soft ambient string lighting. This cheerful fence includes mounted timber planter boxes and a bright red birdhouse, filled with golden marigolds, pink petunias, and lush leafy greens. 3. Horizontal white timber fence with cottage foxglove and birdhouse accents. Showcasing light-toned horizontal wooden planks, this cottage-inspired garden border features mounted decorative birdhouses and bug hotels, paired with tall white foxgloves, hydrangeas, and variegated hostas growing along the base. 4. Classic white lattice fence with arched arbor gate and topiary junipers. Framed by delicate white wooden lattice panels and a rounded arbor gate, this traditional garden enclosure features formal spiral-trimmed junipers, blooming purple delphiniums, and colorful flower beds outlining a neat lawn entrance. 5. Dark timber lattice fence with cascading pink climbing roses. Crafted with a dark stained diamond lattice grid, this classic wooden trellis fence serves as a sturdy support system for delicate pink climbing roses and trailing green vines, catching the soft warm glow of sunlight. 6. Rich brown composite privacy fence with cream lattice topper and hanging planter. Built with rich chocolate brown vertical panels and capped with a cream-colored lattice top, this durable composite fence features decorative spherical post caps and a standalone wrought iron stand holding a colorful flower arrangement. 7. Laser-cut organic rust screen fence with sleek gray framing. Exhibiting a contemporary aesthetic, this modern perimeter fence incorporates laser-cut metal panels with organic coral-like cutout patterns, held by sturdy gray posts along a clean concrete walkway and manicured lawn. 8. Modern lattice privacy screens with overhead pergola and outdoor lounge. Integrated into a sleek outdoor patio, these dark geometric lattice screens are mounted against light stucco walls underneath a timber pergola, providing privacy and architectural texture behind a cozy cushioned sofa. 9. Rustic white picket fence with climbing rose arbor gate and morning glories. Brimming with classic charm, this white picket fence features an arched entry arbor smothered in lush green vines and purple morning glories, surrounded by dense beds of lavender and white ground cover blooms. 10. Cream timber panel fence with hand-painted botanical floral murals. Combining art and landscaping, this cream-colored wooden panel fence features custom-painted floral murals depicting sunflowers, red blooms, and climbing vines, topped with a lattice accent and framed by lush garden beds. With these 10 top decorative garden fence design ideas, you can create a stunning outdoor boundary that reflects your personal style and enhances your daily living experience. Whether you prefer rustic painted timber, modern laser-cut metal panels, or classic rose-covered lattice screens, there is a fence style suited for every garden and budget. So gather your design ideas, brighten up your borders, and enjoy unforgettable moments in your garden. Creating an extraordinary outdoor living space does not mean you have to completely overhaul your entire yard. Often, it just takes creating a single stunning focal point along your boundary line. From simple painted picket fences to multi-panel lattice screens with integrated planters and arbors, there are design options suited for every property. By harmonizing your fence structure with surrounding foliage, mounted accents, and colorful blooms, you can easily craft a private sanctuary that offers endless staycation vibes right in your own back garden. If these decorative garden fence design ideas inspired your next outdoor project, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for weekly garden design inspiration. Leave a comment below telling us which fence layout was your favorite, or share how you love to style your own garden boundaries. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos, and we will see you in the next one.